Hello. Pull. Oh. Ooh. Yeah.
Have a choice, but together we have the power to change the world. It's time to come together and create a world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive.
Did you know that more than 700 million people around the world live in extreme poverty? This means they struggle to meet their basic needs such as food, shelter, education, and health care.
But there is hope. By joining hands, we can create a world where poverty becomes a thing of the past. Together, we can make a difference. Educate yourself and others about the realities of poverty and the importance of creating opportunities of all.
Support organizations working towards poverty alleviation through donations or volunteering.
Advocate for policies that address the root causes of poverty and promote social equality. The consequences of poverty are far-reaching. Children are robbed of their childhood. Families are trapped in a cycle of despair, and entire communities suffer from the lack of opportunities for growth and development.
Together, we can break the chains of poverty and create a world where every person has the chance to fulfill their potential. Let's rise above poverty and build a future of hope and opportunity. Remember, change starts with us. Join the movement to break the chains of poverty today.